In this video, I'll walk you through the complete process of transferring your Bitcoin from Crypto.com to Cash App safely and easily. First, open your Crypto.com app and log into your account. Once you're in, tap on the Accounts tab located at the bottom of your screen. From there, select Crypto Wallet. This is where all your crypto assets are stored. Now, tap on the Transfer button. Since we're moving Bitcoin out of Crypto.com, select Withdraw from the options that appear. Next, choose External Wallet, because we'll be sending your Bitcoin to another app, which in this case is Cash App. After that, tap on the plus icon in the top right corner of the screen to add a new wallet address. Then select Wallet Address. You'll now see a list of different cryptocurrencies you can send. From this list, choose Bitcoin. At this point, you'll need to enter your Cash App Bitcoin address. To get it, open your Cash App on your phone. Tap the Money tab in the bottom left corner, then scroll down and tap on Bitcoin. Next, tap the airplane icon and select Receive Bitcoin. Cash App will show you your Bitcoin wallet address and the QR code. Now, go back to the Crypto.com app. You can either scan that QR code directly or paste the wallet address manually into the address field. Once you've added it, give your wallet a name like Cash App BTC and tap Continue. On the next screen, enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. Double check that the address is correct. It's super important because crypto transfers can be reversed once sent. When you're sure everything looks good, tap Withdraw and confirm the transaction. Your withdrawal will be processed by Crypto.com. Usually, it takes a few minutes for the transfer to appear in your Cash App wallet, but depending on network congestion, it might take a little longer. Once completed, you'll see your Bitcoin balance updated in Cash App. And that's it. You've successfully transferred Bitcoin from Crypto.com to Cash App.